Hello, we are going to go on a little tour of what other transfer facilities do about their water. Well, it turns out we use about 7 million gallons of water in a transfer facility, and it's got to go somewhere. KVB plant proposes to make 2 reservoirs to capture this water. There's all kinds of bad stuff in those, and it probably won't catch it all. But let's go on a tour of what other professional people who do it all the time do with their waste transfers. We're going to Red Bluff first. Hey, what do you know? It's kind of near a water treatment plant. How about Ukiah? Also, right next to a water treatment plant. Let's go to Napa. Also right near a water treatment plant. As you can tell, looks like we have a pattern going on here. There's Vallejo's. And Richmond. Seems like all these guys have a good plan for their waste water. Here's down the South Bay. And this next one is the example that KBB used in their presentation of how their smart station is in a world-class neighborhood right next to a pristine bay. This is what used to be a landfill here, next to Yahoo World Headquarters. Oh wait, there's a waste treatment plant there. How about Milpitas? Do they have a waste treatment plant? Of course. And so does Hayward. I guess you can see where this is going. All of these reputable transfer stations have a waste treatment plant for their water. You know why? Because the water is really, really bad next to waste transfer stations. Here's Brentwood. Now Brentwood's on top of it, like literally. How about Vacaville? Did they do that? Oh yeah, right down the street. Now Sacramento is a bit ways away, but I have a feeling it's piped in also, since there's no reservoir at the station. And Stockton, they're pretty good. Oh, well, look at that. Stockton's is practically right next door also. And Tracy. Oh, yeah. Wow, it seems like every real waste transfer company seems to have put their waste treatment plant right next to a waste transfer facility. Or is it the other way around? I have a feeling these guys knew what they were doing. Monterey, they do it. And they do it really well. Look at this facility. All contained in one spot. And down in Santa Barbara, they do it also. Right down the street. Now, all these are California towns. Of course, California's got strict codes. That's why they would do that, right? But what about way up in Washington State? It's a whole different state where they do the same thing. Look at that. What else do we have? I wonder if they do it on the East Coast. Oh, what do you know? It's just amazing. Whole different state. Just like that. What about Chicago? Would they do the same thing in Chicago? And Atlanta? What about Detroit? Wow. Well, got to back up a little for Detroit. It's a little bit further down the street. But it is connected to the sewage treatment plant. That's what we're getting at here. This facility, our plan is to, after the water spills, or anything spills there, to mitigate it. It's crazy.